To embark on the journey and to become a next generation Sharia function, what you need to have a clear roadmap. That why are we even thinking about doing the automations? Why don't we just use the emails? Because everything is in my inbox. I can search for the previous approval 3 years ago. I will just search for it and we'll share it for you. This is how many Sharia departments, many staff in the Sharia departments tend to think. But it's cumbersome, it takes a lot of time, and it's prone to errors. So the mindset should be there. Unless there is a clear mindset, it will be very difficult to have these automations done. First, for the automations, first thing that you need is document your processes. Transform your internal methodologies. Rethink your process. Identify those areas where you can digitalize. We still have those murabahas being done on the papers, on the papers in most of the bank in the world. We are not using a digital offer and acceptance system in majority of the banks. And we are not using new technology to remove our processes, remove our steps. And for every Islamic transaction, in any Islamic bank that you go, the first issues that everyone has, the customers has, is there is a lot of documentation that has to be done. Why can't we reduce these documentations? Why can't we just use purpose-built software for that? We have to think over those lines. Let me just share you an example that how we have in our bank have done this automation for our Sharia audit. Just to give you an example, I'm currently working at Faisal Bank. Faisal Bank has 600 branches, and we have only 3 staff in Sharia audit department. And from the last 6 years, we don't have any observation that the regulator or any external assessors has identified that we haven't identified. So we are using it in a very effective manner with just 3 people. So being a control function, what does a Sharia audit do? Sharia audit have to do multiple things. First, they have to plan effectively. They have to identify the Sharia related risk. And then they have to identify the risk and then communicate it on the timely basis. So what these automations have given to us? They have, with these automations, we have improved our assurance level, because now we are not focusing on every issue. There are many issues that we have identified, we have automated, so we don't waste our man days on those. And not only this, we have a bigger coverage, because rather than going for the 20% sample, we are covering the 100% sample of those data that is digitally available to us. And then this means that we are more efficient now, we are more effective now, and then we have more deeper, very different insights than the traditional audit.
Islamic finance learning made simple and memorable.